Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So we'll demonstrate here on 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here at the garage, but even if you have a different year, the video may be helpful. We have two fuse boxes on your truck, but we'll need to work only in one of them, which is located under the hood, guys, in the engine bay. That's the radiator overflow tank, that's your car battery. 12-volt battery, and if you come right here behind that battery, you will have one fuse box. That's the cover for the fuse box. When you open that fuse box, it will look just like that. Okay, let us show you what it will look like here. That's it. That will be the front of the F-150. That will be towards the back. Now let's explain which fuses you need to check, but before we do that, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays so you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, your F-150 will be equipped with a few different kinds of fuses, relays that could be Ford specific, hard to find in small towns in the middle of nowhere. They can be ridiculously overpriced, so we recommend to keep some spares in the glove box. We will put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a really good price and quick shipping, and you can, guys, get a really good deal. So the fuses, guys, that we're looking at now, okay, the first fuse will be known as fuse number 54. It will be in that fuse panel right here. If you come, guys, in that fuse panel over here, and if you look at that bottom fuse, the very bottom fuse on the right side, guys, okay, that fuse right here, that's the one that you will need to check. Okay, now you have another one that's known as fuse number 113. So the first one is 54, that is 113, guys. This one will be that very top 7.5 amp fuse that you need to check right here. Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.